Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to talk about the Hive integration. So in order to use Hive in Zeppelin, you have to make the following configuration. First, start the Hive meta store. Second, copy the Hive exe.jar to the Flink lib folder. This is for the Hive 2. If you are using Hive 1 or Hive 3, it may be a little different. And then set up the Hive conf dir in Zeppelin and also the following two properties. And now let's go to the terminal. First, let's copy the Hive exe.jar to the Flink lib folder. Here is my Flink lib. Yeah, okay. Now let's go to the Zeppelin and go to the interpret setting page. And yeah, we need to set up the Hive conf dir. Let's go to the terminal. It's here. Okay, copy that. And the second thing is that we need to enable the Hive. Yeah, click here and also set up the this property Hive version. So here I also I use this version, so I don't need to change that. Then let's save that. Okay. Now let's verify that. We can verify it via the Flink SQL. We can just use the show tables. So since we are using we are run the show table, so we suppose we should see the Hive tables here, right? Yeah, just wait a few seconds because this is the first run. It will start the local mini cluster. Okay, we see the all the tables, and actually we can verify it in the terminal. We can here, this is the Hive. We can also run the same command in the Hive. Okay, show tables. Okay, yeah, we see the same tables here, right? Now, next is that we can just query the Hive table. Let's query this table. Select, we can select from bank. Okay. Now it will run a Flink command to query the Hive table. Okay, now we see the results. Okay, so this is how to use the Hive in Zeppelin. Okay, thank you everyone.